but obviously not great. Not something that I prefer to have. Obviously going to get worse over time. So we're going to fill that in now so I don't have to deal with that later in life. Then after this, I never need to get a hair transplant again. So we'll be good.
All right. Good morning, everyone. We have Lance back in the chair.
Yes.
Lance is back after, is it a year? Has it been a year?
Almost a year. In like 3 days, it'll be
3
a year.
days. Okay.
But it's looking incredible so far.
So we did the front for Lance. Now he's back to finish the crown, the back region. We never recommend doing the entire scalp all at once because of the blood supply and the blood flow. We want to make sure the front takes as high of a yield as it does. Same with the back. How's it been for you?
Incredible. Looks great.
Yeah.
Feel a lot more confident than I once used to be.
Amazing.
It's the only thing I was insecure about, and looking good, feeling good.
Amazing. So
yes.
Thanks for coming back. We're going to take care of the back, and we'll do a small touch-ups in the front as well, just in case if you had lost some of your natural native hairs. Since you're back here, might as well do a small touch-up. Also fill in what you lost, which were the natural native, not necessarily the transplanted hairs, but whatever you had that was naturally there. Has anyone noticed you had the procedure done?
I mean, people definitely could tell there's a difference in my hairline. But
Well, you did vlog about it.
Yeah,
So,
but everyone that said anything says it looks great.
Good.
So, yeah, always compliments, nothing bad.
What I'm doing, Lance, is I'm just outlining the area we're going to focus. I'm going to go a little bit outside of it as well, just in case this expands over time. All right, Lance, so we did a grid for the donor, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And what we're going to do next is disinfect and do a little bit of a numbing.
Okay.
All right, Lance, apologies in advance. This is the part that's the sensitive portion, okay? You're going to feel this bottom area a few seconds on top, this bottom area a few seconds on top. Anytime you need a break, let me know. If you need a break, let me know. There we go, 1, 2, 3. Almost done. You did it. Good job. Good job, Lance.
People always ask me like, what's the worst part of it? And I always say it's just the numbing initially. After that, you don't feel.
Yeah. Try to keep the body still for you. All right, Lance, how was the first phase?
It's great.
It was good?
Yeah,
I
simple.
fell asleep most of the
Yeah,
time.
that's what I did the last time, so it was easy peasy.
Good, good.
Yeah,
Was it painful?
not at all.
No.
The only thing you feel is the numbing initially.
Initially. Amazing. So what we're going to do now, Lance, is we're basically going to break down the zones, shave the hair, and we're going to start with phase 2, which basically is the incisions. Okay? So since we're going to do a little bit more density here in the front as well, I'm going to shave the front. Typically, I like to keep the front long, so I'll do 2 nerve blocks on the eyebrows to numb the front. Most of the back is already numbed up. It'll be pain-free because they're so close. This goes numb majority of it. All right, this should take about 45 minutes to an hour.
Cool.
How long have you been wanting to do this?
Oh, years. Since I was like early 20s.
Wow.
But I figured I might as well wait till I'm older, because it's probably going to recede more, which it did.
All right, we're gonna get started. You should not feel a thing, okay?
Mhm.
Here we go. How's it going, Lance?
Good.
How's it been for you today?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah. No complaints.
Good.
Feeling good.
Good, so we're almost
Great.
done. We drew your blood for the PRP and the stem cell portion, so that we're gonna mix that.
Cool.
I'll come and I'll inject it. Meanwhile, the team's gonna start the implantation.
Sounds
Okay?
good.
Incisions are done. So basically, I'm gonna give the team the distribution of how I want the follicles and where to them to be implanted, and you'll be done in about 2 hours.
Cool.
Been easy?
Yes.
Amazing. And we also did a little bit of the touch up in the front. I know you had a transplant last year, but under the microscope, it did look like you lost some of the natural native hairs that you had previously there. The transplanted hairs were there, but the ones around it that were naturally yours had miniaturized.
Okay.
So what I did is I reinforced that area as well by we did about 500 or so in the front.
Sweet. So, and like, do you think I will thin in the front as well, like the stripe that goes down that wasn't receding?
So anything that's transplanted, Lance, should be with you forever.
Of course.
But what you have, whatever you still have on top that's not transplanted, can still fall out.
Yeah.
So a lot of clients think that when they get a hair transplant, that it's solving their hair loss issues. It's not. It's fixing what you've lost.
Yeah.
But if you don't take care of it, the follicle, the hairs that you have on top, which are not transplanted, can still fall out because the purpose, the reason is genetics, right?
Of course.
So your question for me, am I going to lose this middle? You may not, but we don't know 10 years, 20 years down the line if you are, but take care of it.
Of course,
okay? With the
100%.
topical medications, the pills, the organic shampoos, and so on and so forth. But you don't have to worry about the transplant hairs. The whole 9 yards.
Yes. It's funny, he started doing the injection of the hairs. I didn't even realize.
All right, Lance, congratulations. You survived, you did it. How bad was that?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all?
Yeah.
Good, amazing.
I knew what to expect because I did it before, but even the first time wasn't bad.
Good. So right now, we're doing the wash for you. You have to be super careful not to bang your head, okay?
Yeah.
Especially going into the car.
Yes.
Why am I mentioning this? Your scalp right now is elevated. It's like a camel's back that's lumpy. You're not used to having a head size this big. So the number one place where patients hit their head is going in and getting out of the car.
Yeah.
Next 10 days, be super careful, especially going in and out of cars. If you bumped your head after 10 days, more than likely you didn't damage any follicles. But prior to that, there is a good chance that the spot may not grow.
Okay.
Okay, but I'll show you a mirror, show you how it looks.
Well, let's go. You had a good amount there.
You see the back?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks great.
We covered all of that. Okay? So all of the triples we put back here with the doubles.
Nice.
Okay? That's what's going to give you really awesome density. The center is super dense. I think you're going to be good for a very long time.
Cool. I'm excited.
Super happy.
Did you see it through
for you.
there? Yeah, it's going to look great. Thank you so much.
This is where I go. Do you like it or do you love it?
I love it.
Amazing.
Appreciate
buddy.
you.
Thanks
Thank
for
you so
coming
much.
back.
Of course, I appreciate you having me.
Absolutely.
Everybody check out LA FUE Hair Clinic. Link is down below at the top description, or their website's on the screen right now as well.